This is Nurse Dadak from Tyler, Texas. Tonight, I'm going to make a healthy and delicious meal. So I hope you enjoy. First off, this is mung beans. Mung beans that I pre-cooked earlier. Mung beans right here. Cook it. I already cooked it earlier. Next, we will put these 2 cloves of garlic. 2 cloves of garlic and a thumb size of ginger. Right there, give it a mix. Simmer for about a minute. Put it in a low heat. Ta-da! While waiting, you want to know who I am? I'm Nurse Dadak, and I've been a nurse for so many years. I've been a nurse since 1992. I'll be a nurse for how many long? But I'm still 26. Next year, I'm still 26 years old, okay? Yay! It's simmering. I'm married. I have 2 children. And I'm still married to Bruce. I'm still married to Bruce tonight. This is what I'm making for me and my husband. Healthy and delicious meal. Yay! Doesn't take very long. Smells good. Ginger, garlic. Oh no, this is not ready. Hold on 1 second. Focus on that. See how it simmers? It's bubbling. Next is bubbling. You pour 1 cup of coconut milk. Ta-da! 1 cup. Season it with Himalayan pink salt. Ta-da! Not too much because Himalayan salt is very aggressive. Cover. Hi everybody. Thank you for watching. Yes, I'm 26. Who's asking? Yes, I'm young. I'm 26. You wanna ask more? I'm not done. We are going to pour our bitter gourd. Remember earlier I had bitter gourd that I prepared? I'm gonna put it in. Ta-da! Bitter gourd. Hi Tara. Bitter gourd is a tropical gourd. It's bitter. It's called bitter gourd. See there? It says bitter gourd. The nutritional value is it will balance your blood sugar. It balances your blood sugar. So it's very healthy. So it's good for your pancreas and for overall health. And it's tasty. Not just bitter, it's tasty. Very, very good for you. Put it there for about a minute. Yes, I'm still working as a nurse. I'm still working as a nurse, yes. I'm not a cook of Mr. Bruce, okay? This is a very, very quick video. Let me try it, see if it's good. I'm sure it's good because I make it. It needs more salt. A little bit more salt. That's a little bit. Hello, Shantana. Next time I'm gonna make lasagna for you. Not tonight. It's healthy and improved diet. See, it's simmering. And the bitter gourd, if you see, it's like softer, like that. It's done. And here comes my secret ingredient. I'm not gonna show it to you. This is called lemon oil. Lemon oil. 1, 2, 3. Lemon oil is good for your digestion. It's also good for detoxification. It goes into the liver and detoxifies you. So that's it. That's it for tonight. See you next time.